Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can enable anti-flickering in your video clips on VLC Media Player. So let us dive into this. Alright, so open the video clip here on VLC Media Player and next click into this button next to the full screen button at the bottom to access the effects section for the video clip. Navigate to video effects. From here, what you want to do guys is switch from the essential tab into the let me find it, advanced tab here. And here you may enable or select the anti-flickering settings and adjust the softening here, right? By moving that slider to the left or to the right. Click into OK, save I mean, and that is going to apply these changes for the video clip if you play it. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.